Hello, Pivot 2020 conference attendees. My name is Gabriel Cardoso, and I'm here with my peer Ana Carolina Lima to present you the UDF'S Social Innovation Lab, decentralizing knowledge to co-design solutions, a research developed in Brasilia, the capital city of Brazil. So my name is Gabriel Fernandes Cardoso. I'm an academic entrepreneur, teacher, husband, and citizen. My experience is about social innovation and social entrepreneurship, specifically in higher education. I have a strong relation with education, and I've gotten a master's degree in this field.
My name is Ana Carolina Correia Lima Santana. I'm an architect, mother, enthusiast of cities, people, and design, with interdisciplinary experience in the area of sustainable architecture and urbanism. Currently a PhD student in architecture and urbanism at the University of Brasilia. And it all starts with our country, Brazil. It has big inequalities and a lot of social, economics, political, and environmental issues. Because of its continental dimension, it has states with a specific cultural identities. Brasilia is the capital of Brazil and our place of study. Brazil is a planned city with high quality of life index. However, it is full of social inequalities on its surroundings because of the disorganized and accelerated process of urbanization, resulting in lack of mobility, poverty, and a lot of vulnerabilities.
In the heart of Brasilia, we have the UDF University Center, the first private higher education institution of the city, now performing 53 years, almost 16,000 students and 36 undergraduate programs. Most of these students come from the surroundings of Federal District. Last year, we developed in a Shokayu Commons program the UDF'S Social UDF, a social innovation lab that tried to institutionalize the social innovation in our campus. This was a fantastic experience for us. And to understand, we have to know our concept of social innovation that comes from the Students for Change research. And social innovation try to develop solutions to social problems using the engagement and participation of the civil society. It's important to understand the role of outreach because since 2021, all of higher education courses in Brazil must have 10% of their curriculum with projects and programs of outreach. So we have to do that since 2021.
We also used a concept of participatory design, in which the co-design is developed by a person that influences the community and then the system. We asked how often do we question the very reason of the research we carry out and its utility to the common people. We use the concept of social designers that are people doing projects, influencing people, communities, public and private sectors, among others, based on human rights, focusing on the principles of equality and respect of individuals' qualities.
And here is the core of our work, that is the general process of the UDF'S Social UDF. We have all the elements here, and we would like to explain a little bit more in the rest of our time. First, we have to understand the base of the process, that is this blue center. In our first step, we try to capture the problems and demands and needs from public, private sector, and society. Secondly, we organize the supply and demand inside the university, and we apply in a specific methodology in the third step. So the first step we called PAIN. We use external inputs aligned with the Sustainable Development Goals from bilateral and multilateral organizations, private, public sector, and civil society. The second step is also really important because we would like to take our internal inputs from our students, from our professors, from our infrastructure, and mix these inputs with the external inputs, trying to establish projects and problems and programs to solve social problems. This solution should be created here in this process that we will co-create with the beneficiaries and the stakeholders that are linked to the problems and to the issues, social problems and social issues that we told in the step 1 of the process. The two main results are outputs and outcomes. That, of course, is social innovation. After this process, we would like to have social innovation offered to our region. And it is important to explain here that we have a secondary result that is related to the teaching. So we would like to offer as well free learning programs for community and peripheral areas, and researching, because we want to share the knowledge and experience that we gain through this process. Currently, we created a council with representatives, including internal sectors and external sectors, of course, the most important. We are testing the method using 3 UDF outreach projects. We are holding a series of events covering social innovation and examining the new model for the curricular organization.
Here are our references. A picture also of our team that developed the UDF'S Social Laboratory. We thank you very much. Leave our contacts in LinkedIn. And a question, let's talk more about it.
Thank you.